Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of liking a post in X. Liking a post is a great way to show appreciation for the content shared by others. Whether it's a photo, a video, or a thought-provoking message, we'll show you how to like a post in X with this full guide. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Take a moment to launch the app and ensure you're on the home screen. Step 2. Scroll through your feed or navigate to the specific post you want to like. Once you find the post you wish to like, tap on it to open it. Step 3. Look for the heart icon below the post. It's usually located at the bottom part of the screen. Give the heart icon a tap to express your liking for the post. By liking a post in X, you show support and appreciation for the content shared by others. It's a simple gesture that can go a long way in fostering a sense of community and encouragement. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to like a post in X. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.